Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Wamp server on your Windows PC. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, you're going to open any of your browsers, and on the search bar you're going to type Wamp server download. Search for it. So you will have this first website with the URL www.wampserver.com. you are going to open this link. So I will put this website's link in the video description as well, so you can go directly by clicking the link or by searching it by yourself. Anyways, this page should open up. Here you can see it says download. You're going to press on download and this download should show up. So here we have Vamp server 64-bit and 32-bit. so first of all, you need to check whether you have a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit. so it's very simple. All you're going to do is to open your file manager in Windows 10. On the left side you will have it saying this PC. you're going to right click on it and go to properties. So here you can see on the system type it is a 64-bit operating system x64 based processor. so in this way you can tell whether you have a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit. so mine is a 64-bit operating system, that's why I'm going to press on this download link and this page should pop up. so you have some written, I don't know in what language. Anyways, at the last it says in English. You can download it directly with the yellow color, so you're going to press on it and this should open up a new page. so this will open this particular page. so you can download the latest version of Vamp. Currently it is 3.2.3, which is a 64-bit. so you can choose any other older versions as well if you require. so it is 465.1 MB. you're going to press on it and it will start the download automatically. So it also includes Apache, MySQL, PHP, My Admin, and all the things that are required. So I'm not going to download it again as I have already downloaded it. So I'm just going to open my downloads folder. Here it is. So here is the setup. You're going to right click on the setup and you're going to run it as an administrator. Select the language English. I accept the agreement. Next, and these are the softwares that may be required. so you're going to install Vamp on its default location, and here are some other things as well. if you want to download PHP and install it on Vamp, then you can do so. I require PHP in my particular case because I'm going to use it with Android Studio. Maybe you require it, maybe you don't. You also got the option to select MariaDB as well, and for MySQL also, and MySQL is really important. so I'm going to select MySQL 7.5.31. you can select any of it. you're going to press on next and install. so it will now install Vamp server on your Windows PC. so the installation will take some time, so I'm just going to fast forward the video from here. so a pop-up should appear. Internet Explorer will be used as a browser by Vamp server. Do you want to choose another browser? So if you want to open PHP My Admin on any other browser, you can press on yes and browse it, but I want Internet Explorer, so I'm going to press on no, and Notepad will be used to open the file. so again I'm going to press on no, and it will just complete the installation process. About 30 seconds, 10 seconds remaining, and it's done. you're going to press on next and finish. so here you can see your Vamp server shortcut. you're going to double press on it and it will start. so here on the lower right side you can see the first it will go red, then orange, then green. when it's green, it means that your server is online and now you can work on it. so you can just simply click on it and it will show you these options when you right click on it, but when you simply click on it, it will show you these other options. so we're interested in PHP My Admin, where we actually make our databases. so if I press on PHP My Admin, it will automatically open Internet Explorer as we have set it as our default browser. So normally the username is root, and the password is also root. Make sure that your server choice is MySQL. If you want to work in MariaDB, the credentials are same. Press on go. Okay, so I think in the newer version we have no password, so again let me press on go, and it's logging in. So the username is root and the password is none for now. If you want to change it, you can do so. So here we are going to have some sample databases as well, and you can create new ones. So in this way you can have Vamp server on your Windows PC. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you want me to make other videos like making database on Vamp servers, then you can tell me in the comment section as well. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.